Okay, here I am working on the stove for my office. I figured it was time I hadn't cleaned this out in a long time, and that's my kind of clean out tube right there. And it's happened before, and what happens is the air gets pretty cold when it gets to this point because this is outside. But it gets hot enough that it melts. It melts. I get a little bit of water in it, but what happens is I burn a lot of wet wood this year, and it gets a lot of steam, and you look right in there, and she's froze. So we're gonna give it a whack and see what. See, there's my cover I took off the bottom of there. Give her a whack here and see how deep that is. She's oh, but she's froze. I'll have to. Oh, she's falling out now. No, she ain't falling out. It's moving, but. Oh, I think I'll have to stop my video and go in and... Oh, there she's coming. There she is. And what you want to do is reach in there and get and pull some of the ash out of there too, because she'll be plugged up in there. There you go. Anyway, it wasn't too tough, but boy, it's something to keep in mind if you're burning wood. You gotta clean out that tea once in a while, though, because she gets full of ice. That's full of ice. But oh well, there you go. So,